happy weekend, everyone! Today is Friday, guys, and I'm going to, naman, guys, lalabas ako today, ayan, because, ayan, today is Friday, so, ayan, magsisenyor na naman tayo, guys, ayan, gagala na naman tayo sa labas, and look, guys, this is my fashion for today, and guys, ayan, I wanna show you guys my dress for today. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung dress ko na in-order ko, guys, for only 250 pesos. I really love it, guys. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys. Ayan, dahil nag-sale na to siya, guys. Ayan. Ayan, medyo nag-slim na nga po ako ngayon, guys. Ayan, konting exercise pa para lumiit yung aking tummy. Ayan. Ito na lang, guys, ang kailangan kong i-exercise. Yung aking tummy po para mag-flat siya. Ayan. O, diba? I really love it. Ayan. Kasi guys, ayan, for 1 month na akong diet, healthy diet, guys, ayan, morning, guys, ayan, yung kinakain ko is oatmeal lang, tapos fruits, ayan, bananas, and apple, ayan, guys, yung aking mga kinakain, o, diba, healthy food siya, guys, and then, less tayo siya, guys, less rice tayo, guys, more on ulam, ayan, konting rice lang, ayan. So, ayan guys, ito na yung result niya, ayan, o, diba? I really love it, pack na pack, ayan, medyo lumiit na yung aking shoulder, guys, and then, ayan yung aking legs, ayan, yung pinapalaki ko kasi, guys, yung aking hips and my butt, tsaka, kailangan ko mag-flat yung aking tummy, guys, ayan, ganitong exercise yung ginagawa ko daily, guys, and then yung legs exercise natin, ganon, ayan, ganon lang siya, guys, o, diba, ayan yung akong daily exercises, guys, o, diba, ayan, para namang siya, ayan, parang effective naman siya, guys, o, diba? Ayan, so, ayan po. This is my sample beauty for today. Simple fashion, guys. I really love my dress, guys. Look, ayan, ang ganda, guys, diba? I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack yun siya, guys. 250 pesos, ayan. Because I really love red color, guys. One of my favorite color. Ayan, ito talaga yung favorite color ko, guys. Yung aking red. Red talaga, guys. Ang dami kong dress na color red, guys. Kasi, ayan, yun talaga yung hilig ko, guys. And then, I really love also this one, guys. The headbands. Ayan, I have a lot of headbands, guys. Ayan, pang fashion lang to siya, guys. Ayan, fashion. Ayan, kung ano yung sinusuot kong damit. Ayan, may terno yan siya, guys. Ayan, may terno headbands, may terno ponytails. Ayan, ganun lang po yung aking guys. Simple fashion. Ayan, simple fashion, guys, because, ayan, I really love fashion. Guys. So, ayan, I'm ready to go na. I'm ready to go, guys. And this is my, ayan, simple, guys. Ayan, simpleng ayos, guys. I put a little lipstick, a little blush on, and eyebrow. Ayan, so that's it. Ito na yung aking simple beauty for today. Simple fashion. So, ayan, that's it for today, guys. Bye for now. I hope you enjoy my videos.